When I got started, I had no idea what I was doing, but it did turn into a business, and I'm gonna show you how to do it for yourself. The first step to setting up a business or branding yourself online is to make sure that you have a website. This is your online profile and your resume to the world. There's tons of different ways that you can do this, but no matter what way you choose, they should all include the same information, or at least the basics. You need a central location where others can come to find out more about you. It should tell them who you are, what you do, and how they can contact you. And stay tuned until the end for a special bonus. So this is going to be your name, bio, location. You're going to give them information about yourself. If you have a product or service that you offer, you're going to make sure and list that in your website or on your website so that people know what it is that you offer. You want to have a way for them to contact you. So this can be through email, phone. I would also include my social handles so people can reach out to you on social media and contact you that way. And that also helps build awareness for your brand when they're contacting you off of your website and learning more about you. I have a lot of people that I follow across all the platforms, and they normally will follow me back as well. This website that you're building is essentially just an online digital resume, but ultimately people are coming to find out how you can benefit them in order to stick around and either sign up or buy whatever it is. They want to know, what benefit are you bringing to them? If it's the product that you sell or a service that you provide, they want to know what it is. And that's why it's really important to target the right audience, so that when they land on your page, it's people that are actually looking for the information that you provide. It's going to benefit them, that they're going to want to invest their time or their money into the next step of the process and go along this journey with you. That's what you're doing, is building a story behind your brand with your website and your content. If you think about it, when you go to get a job or you've had a job interview and they say bring your resume, it's because they want to see like what you've done, what you've accomplished, what are your skills, your expertise, and essentially like if you can benefit their organization. That's why they look and say, you know, what is your objective of being here? So everyone has that same one, to grow and whatever they put on there. But honestly, I would put yourself into your website and really give them a look at who you are and what you do, and show them a person behind that business, that brand, that face, and a personality, should I say, because people really love stories and they love to follow people who have a story, because a lot of times they can relate. And as people change and go through their life, they find people that they can kind of relate to and they follow them. You know, I'm sure that's why some of you follow me. And that's why I say just make sure that you're always building your brand and your relationship with these people. It's not just, you know, buy my product, buy my product. It's always providing value first, which is why I said they want to know who you are when they come to your website, but they also want to know how you can benefit them at the end of the day, which is what you need to be conveying in your message to them. So now you know how to set up your website, and I'm telling you the cheapest and easiest and fastest ways to get started. So this is kind of like how to set up a website, going through that process in this tutorial. And again, if you're having trouble getting started, it could be because you don't have all of the pieces to the puzzle. And I'm giving you all of this in a nice checklist that you can follow along with below. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com, where you can find tons of free resources to help you brand your business. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.